de cantar Walina.
This is my medicine man,
Llorando,
Briant.
toditas mis penas se acabaron.
I hired him to sing to my plants every single day, and that's why they grow so quickly.
Que ando por las aztecas y en remolino hacia nuestras vidas. Hasta vida está de fiesta. Did I burn your shit on my head? Did that just happen?
No.
No?
No.
Are you sure? Something fell on my head.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Actually, yeah, right there.
There's poop?
Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
That's definitely going to go on YouTube.
Definitely. Yeah, that's pretty
Yeah.
good. Thank you.
No, there's no poop.
No poop?
No, there's no
Okay.
poop. No, it was a blessing
Are you
from
sure?
the sky. Oh,
Man,
yeah,
that's
there's
definitely
poop.
poop.
Yeah,
That's
there's
exactly when I finish, man.
I was looking at white poop, but that is black poop.
Exactly when I finish, dude. That's funny. Thank you. I love you too.
And here's the reason why I know that Brian sings to my plants every day. Because about 5 days ago right now, I planted the pumpkin seeds, and these are them right now. Isn't that insane? Like, this is 3 days after they sprouted. It's ridiculous. Redonkulous, people. I'm stoked how fast this is growing. The other ones are not growing yet. But yeah, it seems like once plants sprout, they're just growing incredibly fast. So I'm stoked about that. Let's see what other kinds of plants we got here. What I'm super grateful for is that Benjamin came by and he gifted me this mulberry tree. It doesn't have a name yet, but it seems to be very healthy. And I'm going to take good care of her. And then eventually we're going to transport her to my land. And I've had a vision where I have kind of like a path on my land that is completely overgrown with mulberry trees. So my goal is to be growing a lot of mulberry trees so that I can transport them and then turn them into these epic arcs of mulberries, so you can just walk the path and then pick your mulberries along the way on your way home. So yeah, that is one of the visions right now. So that is right now the plant update. The pumpkins are doing super well and the other ones are not sprouting yet. Furthermore, yesterday I went on another mission with Benjamin and we found this fruit. Now, I've never seen this fruit in my life before, but it's one of the most delicious fruits I've ever eaten. And what we did, of course, farming 101, if you like a fruit, you gotta keep the seeds. So I got the seeds and I'm going to be planting them right now. And the other thing is that we found wild cacao. So I'm going to be planting the cacao as well. For the people that don't know, this is how cacao grows. This is half of it. A bit too much, so just throw some of it out and some of these twigs I don't want to have in there. I really think this saves a lot of soil that you need to use, and you clean up your garden a little bit, so that's super nice. Mix it up. There we go. Ooh. It's still nice and slimy. Really hope that these will work. And here goes the cacao. And that's that, people. That's how you do it. And now it's just all about giving these babies some love in the shape of water and canciones de Briant. And then all will go well. See you at the other plant update.